Guys, today for you, I have the August 2018 Doki Doki box. It is the same, says the theme is Home Sweet Home. Alright, let's look at our box. Oh, okay, got something big in here. So this is our little pamphlet we got. We have our girl here and her friend and maybe her father. And that looks like a little bit like a deer and maybe a raccoon, and we got some sort of straw and bowls. Alright, so let's see. Home sweet home. Tamina means I'm home, and it often is expressed upon arriving home in the same way as some say the phrase home sweet home. This month we are featured items that are sure to make your home so much sweeter. Whether you're coming back from a long trip or just a daily errand, you'll feel comforted and relaxed knowing I'm home. So if you guys see your picture here in this section, let me know. This is the prize, the lucky prize if you win. Here is the back, if you want to read that. Alright, so the first thing in our box, let's save the big thing for last. So the first thing is a Sanrio straw. I got the Hello Kitty one. Looks like this. It says Hello Kitty. She's got our little bow right here. Alright, so it says refresh yourself with these fun loppy straw shaped like Hello Kitty or My Melody. They make home drinks extra cute, transforming your home into the perfect summer retreat. As you're trying to earth-friendly, take your straw with you when you go out to reduce plastic, single-use straw waste. So that's the Hello Kitty. The My Melody one looks like this. Let's see, the next thing in our box is this set right here. They're chopsticks. It says Little Twin Stars cooking chopsticks. Kiki and Lala are on the back, help you make your favorite comfort food. Japan common cook with chopsticks. They are made longer to give you the same chopstick action as the safe cooking distance. So that's what these guys look like. They have the little guys up there, the back, and we have some pink up in there. Alright, so the next thing is a Shiba sauce dish. I'm going to take it out of the box, but the box looks like this. So this is what the little dish looks like. It says Shiba sauce dish, mealtime magical. Pour sauce and watch the little Shiba appear before your eyes. These are perfect for holding soy sauce when you're having sushi or dumpling night at home. So that's what I got. Looks like you can get different ones because this guy is, I don't know if you can tell, is like leaning like that. And the one that they have in here is him sitting down. Alright. So the next thing in our box is the Senex bamboo bowls. So I got a Rumakuma one. It says these eco-friendly bowls are decorated with either Sumiko, Groshi, or Rumakuma. They are great for morning cereal. Oh, I think I got the other one. Morning cereal, hearty soup, or delicious rice bowl. Hot and cold foods are safe in these dishes, but do not microwave or put them in the dishwasher. Okay, so that's what this guy looks like. It says hungry. Coffee break. Rika Kuma feels happy and relaxed every day. And then he's dreaming about pancakes. Alright, so that's that. And the last thing in our box is very big. I don't know if you can see. So I'm going to move the camera around so you can see the intent of this thing. Alright, so this is make a home feel even cozier with these cute floor mats. The Sumogoshi friends always feel more relaxed and in corner to use these mats. Carve your own corner into the house. Use as your sanctuary. So that's all the things in our box. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you check this box out. I'll see you guys later. Bye! Oh, and I do have a P.O. box. I'll put it in the description box below.